Hello everyone, greetings of the day. My name is Sohini Chakraboty and I have been associated with IPFC for the past 10 years now. IPFC stands for International Professional Financial Careers Academy Private Limited, and it has been one of the pioneers of giving international certifications like CMA US, CPA US, CIA US to this entire world since 2010. So it's almost 14 years and running in this industry. So I've often come across the question of CMA US to start with it. What is CMA US? Now I'm here to talk about Certified Management Accountant, which is CMA. What exactly the benefits of pursuing it would be, and if you are eligible for the same. So Certified Management Accountant is a certification that will help you gain thorough knowledge into the field of management accounting. Now, when it comes to accounting, there can be one which is financial accounting, which deals primarily into the external accounting, and much of internal accounting or management accounting is what surrounds a management accountant. So it has much to do with budgeting, planning, and analysis. So whatever analysis is required for the smooth running of the business, or to show to the stakeholders, management accountants help with it. The accounting body which gives you the certification is IMA, which stands for Institute of Management Accountants USA. Now when we talk about CMA US, why should you actually pursue CMA US and not CMA India? Where if I to think of it, CMA India will be taking around 4 to 5 years to complete, with more than 18 papers, and not to forget the internship that you'll have to do. On the other hand, CMA US is having only 2 papers, and it can be completed in a time period of 6 to 9 months. So by the time you complete your CMA India, you would have completed your CMA US and opted for a job. No second thoughts about that. Now, the basic eligibility criteria for a CMA US is your +2. So if you have completed your +2, you are eligible to start with your CMA US course. Now, does that mean if you are a graduate, you're a working professional, or you're a postgraduate student, you are not eligible for CMA US? Of course not. You're very much eligible. In fact, you're more than eligible. So when it comes to your undergraduate level or your post-graduation level or your professional work experience, CMA US will be able to benchmark your experience. So no matter you're having 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience, 20 years of experience, you might not be having a professional qualification in your resume. So that might make you feel a bit lower with respect to the other people who might be having a professional qualification, be it chartered accountancy or ICWAI, whichever it is. Now, I'm not saying that university degrees like BCom, MCom, MBA are bad, definitely not, but it's very easy nowadays. Of course, in India, since most of us are very talented and highly good, very good rather, with our studies, getting university degrees are definitely not an issue for us. So every one of us is an MBA or an MCom. It's okay, it doesn't matter. But just to stand out amongst the crowd, just to prove yourself better, or maybe you're having an experience which is like 5 years, 10 years, and you have really thrived. CMA US will give you that professional edge. It will benchmark that experience that you have already gained. So that is the reason that a professional, a working professional, should be pursuing CMA US. Now, when it comes to the examination, it's a 4-hour exam of 500 marks. Out of these 500 marks, you have to score 360, that is 72%. There is no negative marking. Isn't that good? Yes. But the irony or the extra thing that you need, which makes it difficult, is your conception. So in order to clear CMA US, you'll have to have a thorough conception because it's MCQ and all the questions are more or less related when it comes to the answers. So in order to have a really clear conception, all you need to do is practice. So the more you practice, the merrier it becomes. If you are able to give more than around 1 to 1.5 hours every day for the purpose of practicing, you will be able to clear CMA US without any issues. In a year, there are 3 exam windows: Jan, Feb, May, June, and September, October. So if you start now, you will be able to take your exam either in the following exam window or the one after that. Now, once prepared, you will be having to go to the nearest Prometric Center, which is a computerized testing center for all of these US-based exams. Okay. Now, IPFC will be helping you out with the entire preparation, starting with 100% live interactive classes 4 days a week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 9:30 to 11:30 p.m. in the evening. For any emergency, if you miss a session, we'll also help you out with the recording for the same. Again, why live interactive classes? Because you need to interact with the faculty. It's very much important that you interact with the faculty. You get to interact with your co-mates. During the class, there can be a number of questions that they can come up with. There can be questions that you have in your mind you have not been able to ask. Someone else has asked, so you know the answers for it. Again, if you're stuck with a question and you have not been able to ask the faculty during the class, you can always book a one-on-one session with our faculty and get yourself clarified. Now, these one-on-one sessions can be at your respective time or again, as per the schedule that's available and your schedule that you have, you can just change it as per your convenience, right? We are also having our integrated WhatsApp group wherein along with you, all the other classmates and the faculties are present. Again, if you're stuck with a question, you can raise it out there and it will be answered. So, CMA US doesn't really have its status in India, but also abroad. What does it actually mean? Okay, I'll tell you. CMA US, unlike CMA India, gives you a platform wherein you can go abroad. Either US or Gulf countries or European countries, it doesn't matter. CMA India does not have any value outside India, whereas CMA US gives you a world when it comes to your platform. So, when it comes to the job sphere, CMA US gives you a very good platform, not only in India, wherein you get the same status as in a CMA India. Be it any MNCs or Indian companies, CMA US will give you the same platform and the same status as in a CMA India, and you would be able to thrive. And outside India, CMA US will give you the best of platform. So many Indians who already have CMA India or Chartered Accountancy have been abroad and opted for CMA US because it gives the platform. Now, why would you actually do a professional qualification? Because you need it. Be it a student who doesn't really have any experience, who hasn't started his job yet, he will be getting a platform as in a fresher coming with a professional qualification, and who is already a professional having an experience of more than 5-10 years or 20 years will be able to benchmark their experience with the help of this qualification. So when it comes to IMA has divided its membership into 3 categories. First is for a professional. Whoever is a working professional who is not associated with any university is considered to be a working professional or a professional member of IMA. Again, whoever is a university student, be it undergraduate level or postgraduate level, he is considered to be a student member. Again, whoever is teaching CMA US is considered to be an academic professional. So IMA has categorized its membership into these 3 categories, and accordingly the membership is given. So if you are a student, you fall into a student category, and if you're a professional, or if you're not a student, then you're a working professional, unless and until you are a teacher and teaching CMA US. IPFC has specialized discounts for all the categories as well. We give all the administration help or administrative help. We give all sorts of mocks, homeworks. IPFC has its own mocks and homeworks. Beyond Hawk International, soft copy ebooks or the hard copy, whichever you're convenient with, we will be able to give you that. That is Hawk International books, as well as IPFC own mocks and software. So the more you practice, the merrier it becomes for you. If you are able to score more than 90% in your mocks and homeworks with IPFC, you will be able to clear the final exams without any problem. So our faculties will judge your performance, and if they think that you have been consistently been able to score more than 90% in your mocks, as we call it, your internals, you will be able to clear the final exams without any problem. And you can give these mocks, you have an access to them n number of times till you are confident and our faculties are confident on you. So make it a point, start with the CMA US course right away. The fee structure is very much reasonable when it comes to any other professional qualification or even MBA. As a matter of fact, MBA, CMA US will give you higher returns on your investment, very less investment and huge returns. On the other hand, MBA will be costing 10-15 lakhs. I am not very sure about the returns that you would be getting, unless and until, of course, you are from IIM or you pursue it from IIM. But even an IIM graduate would want a professional qualification to their resume, right? So see you soon.